Hello, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to download GTA Vice City in your PC. There are different ways to download GTA Vice City, but the one way I would recommend is to go through Steam website or application and purchase a game. We need to open Steam app or website, and in the search batch, you just type Grand Theft Auto Vice City. Click the search option. Now you can see Vice City is at pop second last, and click on this. Click Add this to the cart. And now click Purchase for myself and choose how you want to pay for the game, whether that's from funds from your Steam wallet, or you can click onto this drop-down box. Again, the payment methods are going to vary depending on what country you're from. I'm just going to go ahead and select PayPal. Click Continue. Just make the purchase on Steam. If you're done, go Next is come up to your library at the top, and you're going to see that the game will be in your library. What you can then do is install this by clicking on the game in your library of games on the left side. Now what's going to happen is you're going to get a blue install button. Once that's installed, when you next come to this page, instead of saying install, it's going to say play. You can go ahead and click play and go ahead and play. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next tutorial.